Another popular beverage is sai, a sweet, milky tea that is often served with snacks. It is made with black tea leaves, sweetened condensed milk, and spices such as cardamom and cinnamon. Fruit juices are also widely available in the Maldives, with many varieties of tropical fruits grown on the islands. Some of the most popular fruits used to make juice include mango, papaya, pineapple, and passion fruit. In recent years, the Maldives has also seen a rise in international cuisine due to the influx of tourists from around the world. Many resorts and restaurants offer a range of international dishes such as Italian pasta, Chinese stir-fries, and Indian curries. However, the traditional Maldivian dishes remain the backbone of the country's culinary culture. Maldives cuisine also has some unique dining traditions that are worth knowing if you plan on visiting the country. One of the most common dining traditions in the Maldives is eating with your hands. It is customary to wash your hands before a meal and then use your fingers to mix the rice and curry on your plate before eating. It is customary to wash your hands before a meal and then use your fingers to mix the rice and curry on your plate before eating. Using your fingers is believed to enhance the taste of the food and create a more intimate dining experience. Another tradition is the use of communal plates. In many Maldivian households, food is served on a large communal plate or banana leaf and shared among the diners. This tradition is a sign of hospitality and is meant to bring people together. In the Maldives, it is also common to eat seafood that is caught fresh that day. Many fishermen sell their catch directly to local restaurants, ensuring that the seafood is always fresh and of the highest quality. Furthermore, many resorts in the Maldives offer dining experiences that showcase the country's culinary heritage. These experiences include cooking classes, where you can learn how to prepare traditional Maldivian dishes, as well as cultural performances that feature local music and dance. B. Finally, it's important to note that the Maldives is a Muslim country, and as such, alcohol is not widely available. While you can find alcoholic beverages in tourist areas and at some resorts, it is important to respect local customs and traditions. In summary, Maldives cuisine is not only about the food itself but also about the dining experience and traditions that accompany it. From communal plates to eating with your hands, the Maldivian culinary culture is a unique and memorable experience that reflects the country's hospitality and cultural heritage. Another aspect of Maldivian cuisine that is worth noting is the use of local spices and herbs. Maldives cuisine typically features a variety of spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, and cinnamon, which are used to create a distinctive blend of flavors in dishes. Additionally, the Maldives is home to a variety of herbs such as curry leaves, pandan leaves, and lemongrass, which are used to add depth and aroma to dishes. Curry leaves, in particular, are a common ingredient in Maldivian cuisine, and they are used to add a subtle citrusy flavor to curries and other dishes. B. Another unique aspect of Maldivian cuisine is the use of local fruits such as bananas, papayas, and coconuts. These fruits are often used in both savory and sweet dishes and provide a refreshing burst of flavor to meals.